Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm Ryan from Hello Hong Kong. So today I'm going to show you around this area in Hong Kong named Sham Shui Po, one of the poorest districts in Hong Kong. Let's check it out what to see in this area. First, you can see the busy street market and the laundry right hand out from the window. I hope this is not going to rain. And I found something. Look at this. Can you see this red one? This is where usually men use to find out their real happiness. So use your imagination. What means men's happiness? Then let's check it out the market. And in the market you see they sell everything like butcher, fresh meat. And let's check it out, the used items like shoes, toys, books, CD players, VCD, movies, and the other way around. They keep shopping like fresh meat, beef, pork legs, and the liver is a beef, frozen beef. So the other way around, something more. Like you can see hams. These are hams, dried chicken, quails, sausages, duck's legs, duck's intestine, dry fish as well. So right across the street, let's check it out. We have everything from all around the world, like bananas, the little tangerine or mandarin, oranges, green apple, avocado from Mexico, strawberries from Korea, peanuts, yam, the dry sweet potatoes, clothes. Let's check it out. Only 10 Hong Kong. It's like $1.5 US for t-shirts. So that we say are local places in Hong Kong. You can see the market was so busy. If you have time to come Hong Kong, then I will let to show you around this area. Like you see something like jade, antique products. But I believe these antiques from the antique factories. You believe it or not. So something more. This is what we say a local market. Look at the people. You may have wondered why everyone wearing a mask. Because of the anti-pandemic regulations. This restricted by law. Everyone have to wear a mask in the public area. So local street, local market, local places. I believe sometimes when you're traveling away from home, places for local people are more interesting than the tourist places. So that's it. So thank you for watching. I hope everyone stay safe and a happy new year. See you next time.